Hey folks, Eric here again. So another episode of Cheap Eats. So holiday time's coming around. So you got a lot of, let's say, leftover sausage, leftover ham. I want to show you how to do something interesting and delicious with that. And we're going to make some fried rice with some minimal ingredients. Again, just leftover stuff that we can make. So we're going to make some fried rice. Ingredients you'll need here is some steamable peas and carrots. Some leftover rice or new rice, whichever you prefer, some eggs, your choice of protein, whether it's going to be your leftover sausage, ham, heck, even some turkey if you want to cut it up, some butter, some chicken bouillon, soy sauce, and an onion. All right, we're going to start up by dicing on our onion. Again, our onion is left over here from something else. We're just going to use half an onion. I always like to put my onions in the fridge. Helps keep it a little longer, and also against when you go cut it, you're less teary-eyed. And you want to go ahead and just dice these up. Hey, I just go ahead and dice it up however, I'm no chef. However, whatever you want to do to make it yourself happy. Now, one thing I did forget was garlic. You have fresh garlic, great. If not, just add some. I have some pre-minced garlic, and we'll just add about 2 teaspoons in there. All right, we'll go ahead and cook our eggs. Heat up. I try to use one pot. Again, about being conservative, less stuff to clean, less water to waste. Oil. Add already some a little bit in there already. You want to get your pan nice and covered and nice and hot. If you ever get shell in there, don't reach your finger in there. Use the other half of the egg and scoop it right out. Go ahead and take the eggs out now. In with the sausage. We could have did the sausage first. I forgot. So we're just go ahead and do the sausage now. Go ahead and brown them up. All right, our sausage is nice and brown now. We'll go ahead and take this out the fire. We're gonna put it in the same bowl with the eggs because it's all gonna go back in the same place anyways. Yeah, my wok is a little sticky today, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off a little bit and get a clean base to start with. All right, folks, we're back. Heat on high. Get our wok nice and hot. Again, if you don't have a wok, you can use a pan. It's just not quite the same flavoring because you don't get the intense heat you get from the wok. So you know when your wok's ready, when you start seeing smoke, I don't know if it comes up on the camera. Let's get our fan on high. Oil. In with our vegetables. Get the onions a little bit cooked here. Earlier, I kind of unevenly cut these onions. I smash them out. Back in with our meats and eggs. And in with our rice. So add a little bit of chicken bouillon. About 1 teaspoon is probably enough for it. I always add a little MSG, also referred to as yum yum. This is total preference. You do not have to add this. Just a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to overdo it. So, word of the game is when you're making fried rice, it's best to use leftover rice that's been in the refrigerator. It's cold, it breaks apart, it actually makes the best fried rice. If you don't have it, in my situation, we just made this rice this morning. Just leave your cooker lid open for a little bit, because this is what happens. It starts clumping up because the rice is warm and wet. So that's where the advantage of the cold fried rice comes in. I mean, cold leftover rice. Can't really toss this too much. Let's break up any big rice balls you see. Go ahead and add our melted butter. And again, if you don't have ham or anything, you can throw shrimp in here, sliced beef, sliced chicken, whatever makes you happy. A little pepper, black pepper for And there's no black pepper. We are out of black pepper. I'll buy some right here. Got some black pepper in there. And some soy sauce. How much soy sauce you use, of course, up to you. I never measure anything really, so just kind of know by taste or from look. You can always taste it, see where it falls for you. And there you have it, leftover fried rice. This whole thing probably costs less than, I'd say, $7 or $8. Enough here to feed 3 people. And plate her up. There you go. Fried rice.